We love to bring our friends places, but sometimes bringing our friends can make things a little bit messy. The Baronage car vacuum offers a powerful solution to cleaning up any problems you run into. Here we have the Baronage car vacuum in a sleek orange design, which comes with a removable and cleanable filter. Of course, we have our brush head attachment for getting into the carpet, and a plastic extension for getting in between seats. A user manual to answer any questions that you may have, and a backup fuse, as well as a cleaning brush. Don't forget our extension hose to reach those hard to reach places. All the parts in the vacuum itself can be easily stored in a carrying bag. Cleaning your car used to be a hassle, but now it doesn't have to be. This vacuum will power through common messes, from food to dog hair, even liquids. With suction so powerful you can pick up a cell phone. New spill? No problem. The wide mouth of the vacuum allows it to pick up large pieces. After using the carpet brush, you'll think your car's never been this clean. And the aluminum HEPA filter can be washed in the sink and dried.